Trelleborg ConneX. The virtual roadshow experience from Trelleborg Sealing Solutions gives your organization the opportunity to interact and engage with sealing and polymer technology experts regardless of your physical location. Any number of participants can easily interact with experts during our customized educational events in different settings, including an open auditorium, a workshop area for selected participants, or in a one-on-one closed environment. Expert consultations are delivered through our global network of application engineers. Each Trelleborg ConneX event offers a unique multimedia experience that can be tailored to the specific requirements of your business. Training sessions, customized to meet your business needs, utilize the latest in 3D technology. Live virtual tours through our global manufacturing and R&D locations provide insight into our innovations in material and sealing technology. Get together with a full-service provider and global market leader to develop a unique event that generates value to accelerate your business. Trelleborg ConneX. Explore new possibilities together.